Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Hurdle Huddle. I am Tasha Marie, and today I'm sharing a very personal chapter of our journey. It's about change, adaptation, and resilience. Many of you know that Aaron and I have been on this incredible entrepreneurial path, running a successful e-commerce business. But life has thrown us some curveballs, and today I'll talk about how we are pivoting our business strategy to continue living life on our terms, despite the challenges. In 2021, I started experiencing some health issues, which we're still trying to fully understand. The situation has significantly impacted my ability to manage the daily demands of our business. With this in mind and our dream to travel the country in our camper, Aaron and I realized we needed to rethink our strategy. We needed something that would not only allow us the freedom to explore, but also accommodate my new health needs. Our solution? Shifting our focus towards digital assets. This means we're now diving into areas like digital products, online courses, printable products, and other forms of content that can generate passive income. The beauty of digital assets lies in their ability to provide ongoing revenue without the constant hands-on effort that our physical product business requires. Let's talk about what passive income really means for us. It's not just about making money while you sleep, although that's a nice perk. For us, it's about creating valuable resources once and then letting them work for us, which is crucial given my current health situation. This model gives us the flexibility to work less while still maintaining a steady income stream. It's about working smarter, not harder, and ensuring we can manage our business from anywhere, even from our camper as we travel across the country. So, how are we adapting our business to fit this new chapter in our lives? We've begun learning about crafting online courses that not only leverage our e-commerce expertise, but also weave in our personal journey through the world of digital assets. Additionally, we're creating downloadable resources designed to enrich both the personal and professional lives of others. Each product is meticulously designed to require minimal updates, ensuring they can generate income consistently with little need for further input from us once they're established. For many years, we felt a divine nudge to shift our focus towards supporting Christian marriages. Personally, I've hesitated to embrace this path for a multitude of reasons, often citing the relentless demands of our e-commerce endeavors as my excuse for not having enough time to commit. Yet, this journey has been brewing for years, and it seems that now, according to God's timing, it's where we are meant to direct our energy. Despite feeling daunted by the magnitude of this calling, I find myself ready and willing to step into this role. I believe now is the time to serve and to support Christian couples, embracing the fear as a sign of meaningful work ahead. This pivot to digital assets is more than a business decision. It's a lifestyle choice. It's about ensuring that we can continue to live life on our own terms, regardless of the obstacles that come our way. By building a portfolio of digital assets, we're not just securing our financial future, we're also creating a legacy of freedom and flexibility. Thank you for tuning in to this very personal episode. If you're thinking about how you can pivot your business and incorporate more passive income streams, I hope our journey inspires you. Don't forget to subscribe and share this podcast with someone who might need to hear this today. For more insights and updates, visit our website at www.successfulstreamsofincome.com. Until next time, keep hurdling forward and remember, every challenge is an opportunity to innovate and grow.